Get ready for it. Get ready for it. Get ready for it.
Hey, what's up guys? This is Jeannie wearing a paper bag.
And this is Emily in a paper bag too.
We are
Paper Bag Family.
So as you can see, we are going to introduce this PowerLoad 45-watt USB-C charger. Let's unbox it. It is the 45-watt PPS charger that can bring super fast charge 2.0 to Samsung Note 10 Plus and S20 Ultra. Granted, it can also charge other mobile phones or MacBook Air. Let's take a look at the output parameters. With so many, there must be one for your device.
I suppose so.
Okay, next let's use S21, S20 Ultra and the MacBook Pro to measure the actual charging power. Excellent, it's almost stable now. The voltage is close to 25 watts or 33 watts or 45 watts.
Wow, that's terrific.
Paper Bag Family sincerely recommends it.